Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering and pairing the Qube 2. First, plug the USB-C cable and charge to at least 50% so updates install smoothly. Once charged, hold the right side button for 3 to 4 seconds to power on and watch the startup screen with battery percentage. Next, install the Noise app on your phone and grant Bluetooth and location permissions because pairing relies on BLE and location services. Once done, open the app and prepare to add a new device. You'll enter the pairing code shown on the watch. Now you'll pair and configure core settings. In the Noise app, choose Add Device, select Smartwatch and then Qube 2. Confirm the pairing code on both screens so device trust is established. If a firmware update appears, accept it. Updates fix bugs and add features, then keep the watch within 1 to 2 meters and avoid closing the app until it finishes. After updating, customize watch face, notification filters, and health metrics in the app so that you only receive essential alerts and accurate tracking from the start. To finish, sync and verify data integrity. In the app, perform a manual sync and confirm steps, heart rate, and sleep show recent timestamps so tracking is active. Then set your step and sleep goals, enable Raise to Wake for quick glances, and activate wrist lock if you want accidental taps blocked. If something goes wrong, pairing fails or data won't sync, restart both the watch and phone, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, and try pairing again. This often resolves stubborn connection issues and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.